How to add PayPal as payment method in Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Here we go. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the account page, at the top right corner you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. You'll be directed to the account settings page. Now navigate to the option of wallet. Now over here you're gonna find different payment methods. Hit over to the option of PayPal. Now provide your PayPal account details, email or mobile number, and then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. That your PayPal account will be connected to Walmart app and PayPal will be updated as payment method. So this way you can easily add PayPal as payment method in Walmart app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.